Welcome to this mindly 5-minute meditation. We have thought about our listeners who do not have YouTube Premium and have taken care to ensure that no advertisements will interrupt your meditation session. Okay, here we go. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If any thoughts or concerns come to your mind, simply acknowledge them, then let them pass. Imagine yourself shrinking, becoming microscopic, small enough to enter the intricate network of your body. As you breathe, let this size shift draw you closer to your skin's surface. You stand on the vast landscape of your epidermis, witnessing its unique topography. Every ridge, every valley. Science has shown us that our skin, in conditions like eczema and psoriasis, often reflects internal imbalances, both physical and emotional. Now, as a tiny explorer, you have the power to venture deeper and understand these imbalances firsthand. Glide gently beneath the top layer, entering the deeper layers of the skin. Here you observe the cells. They pulsate with life, each with its own rhythm, sometimes harmonious, sometimes erratic. Some cells might appear inflamed, others may show signs of distress. These are the silent markers of your body responding to both physical triggers and emotional stress. Travel deeper until you find yourself surrounded by the rhythmic beating of your heart. Here in the chamber of your life force, you feel the emotions that science tells us can influence our skin's health. Listen to your heart. What stories and emotions does it whisper? Could they be linked to your skin's discomfort? Allow your microscopic self to send waves of healing energy from your heart to those distressed cells. Visualize this energy as a radiant, soothing light, enveloping each cell, acknowledging its pain, and beginning its process of repair. Now, as you send this healing energy throughout your body, understand that you don't need to consciously know every root cause of your discomfort. Your inner energy, your deep-seated intuition, already knows. Much like animals are guided by an instinct they never consciously learned, so too does your inner energy instinctively understand where to go and what to mend. Trust in it. Allow it to navigate, to seek out, and to soothe those hidden unconscious triggers that might be contributing to your condition. Surrender to this deep knowing and let it lead the healing process from within. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, if there's a particular theme you'd like a meditation on, do let us know in the comments below and we'll create it for you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. Thank you for sharing this time with us. And remember, you are capable of anything.